Today's video I will be unboxing and reviewing these 4 packs of BotBots. Now these are new kids series of Transformers. They're blind bags. I do know they also sell carded versions that you know what you get, but what I found today at the store was these blind boxes of BotBots. One thing interesting that I noticed on the back of the package, if you go over here, see if this can focus. There's what seems to be a unique identifier or stamp of some sort. So as you can see, this one says, if this will focus. Here you go. 82551. And then on this package, 82561. So 551561, or is it 61? Yeah, no, this definitely is a 5. So 551, 561. And this one, 82541, and this one is 82501. I've not really checked around to see if these mean anything. I just really bought them today, and on a whim. So I'm hoping that what ends up happening is these are 4 different kinds of BotBots. So let's open this guy. So the way you open them, there's this little tab on the back, and you're supposed to pop them out. And what did I get here? Here we go. So it looks, it's a coffee or hot cocoa. Oh, let's see if there's anything else. There is. Oh yeah, there is something in here. I guess a little collector's guide. There's 24 in the set, I believe. Oh, so these are individual instructions, because it tells you how to transform this guy. And then a little checklist out there. Kind of nice. No, actually 61 to collect. Huh. Which is weird, because this says 24 in all, but 61 to collect. I'm wondering if it's just saying there's 24 in the blind boxes alone. That's probably what they meant. Okay, so let's I'm just gonna put him aside, or it, whatever it is, and let's open the second one. Push it out. And this, not sure what this is. Let's put them aside and check out the pamphlet. Oh yeah, here we go. This, it's deodorant. Interesting. Okay, so we got coffee, hot cocoa, and deodorant here. Let's put them aside. Let's try the third one. Flip it open, pop it out, and this seems to be some kind of briefcase or bag. Let's check out the pamphlet. And it is a tote. Totes My Goats is the name. Okay. And the last one. Push it out. It's like giving birth to little robots or something. And we got here corn dog, I believe. Yeah, this must be a corn dog. Let's look at the instructions that came with it. Here we go. Sup dog. Yep, it's a corn dog. Roll corny corn dog. Hey, let's get into these guys. Hey, so the first figure we have here is this hot cocoa, and here's the instructions on how to transform it. 3 steps. So let's pull out the arms, and it says to turn this around. But it seems like it's already turned around. So I think in packaging it was kind of mistransformed. It should have looked like this. If this will turn. Seems kind of tight. Yeah, so this in packaging should have been like that, and it is really tight. So turn it to robot mode, lift the arms, twist, and the arm pops off. Let's pop it back in, twist, and pull the legs down, and there you go. There's the robot mode. Nice little details on it for a small robot. With some marshmallows on the top. And this is Cocoa Crazy. Roll heartwarming hot chocolate. And he belongs to the Sugar Shocks. I guess that's a faction, Sugar Shocks. So let's put Cocoa Crazy there. Next we have the deodorant robot, and his name is Nobio. Nobio. It is a 3-star. I guess there's levels. Roll super sniffing deodorant bloodhound, and it belongs to the toilet troop. So to transform it, we basically open this up, the face. This is becomes the face. Arms comes out, and then the legs flip out. There you go. Here is, see if it focus. This is again Nobio. Actually a little bit more complicated in transformations than what I imagined them to be, considering these are tiny blind bag toys. I like the material. It's a little rubberized plastic, but a bit, but not as much as the tiny turbo things that we got from the Transform movie toys, where they ended up being really rubbery, and sometimes, well, at least mine's ended up becoming sticky over time. So this is a little more plasticky, but not as rubbery, but it is definitely a little rubbery. Okay, let's put them here. Next we have Totes Magoats, level 1 blue star. I'm not even sure what this means. Roll hipster messenger bag, and he belongs to the Backpack Bunch. I guess that's his faction, the Backpack Bunch. And I guess if you in here you can see these are the ones that they belong to, the common ones. They're all different. There's another one. So kind of nice that each has a personalized mini poster instruction sheet that comes with it. Hey, let's transform this guy. So we lift up here, and that should reveal his head. Pop it up. Okay, get it on camera. His arms. Oops. Comes out. And then his feet here. And that's it. That's pretty much it. For some reason the head doesn't seem like it's all the way out, but it is. And there he is. Little stubby robot. Okay, next we have the corn dog. And his name, or its name, is Sup Dog. Roll Corny Corn Dog, and he belongs to the Greaser gang. So far I got not only 4 different BotBots, but 4 different tribes. So to transform him, basically we turn him over. I think in transformation, in packaging, it should have looked like this, but it was like this. So let's start it how it should be. Corn dog mode. Lift up the arms. Pull out the arms. Lift up the head cover, and then spread the legs. And there you go. Here he is in robot form. And we have 4 different BotBots. Now let's go on to the articulation on these guys. This guy, probably the least articulated. His arms only goes up. That's it. That's pretty much it. If you want to count turning his head as articulation, well, then he can do that. But he's done. This dude, same thing, but his arms are on a ball joint, so it can go like this. So a little bit more articulation than the other one. This backpack or messenger bag, arms can move 360 like this, and that is about it. And the same goes for the corn dog. Don't think he can go all 360 because his head is way too big. Let's get some size comparisons over here. Here he is. Here is Siege Sideswipe, and as you can see, they are very tiny, but not as small as the Micromasters. Let me lift this up a bit to get a better shot. There you go. So you can see here Transformers Siege Sideswipe next to these sets of BotBots. They're not that tiny as I thought they would be. I mean, with their price range, I think they're around $2.50 to $3. Not too bad for what you get. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.